Hello everyone, thank you for joining our Embedded Platform and Design Service webinar for the next generation medical equipment. I'm Andrea.
Hi, I'm Vicky.
Today in this webinar, we will have two sections. The first one, we will talk about the innovative embedded platform and the design services. And in the second part, we will have the medical equipment DMS team to discuss about the topic on AI-powered medical design and the manufacturing services. Vicky, I heard this year Advantech supply many boards to the partners for making the IVD, patient monitor, and ventilator, and some home care systems to treat lots of people with the COVID-19. Is that true?
It's true. As a trustable partner, Advantech had a full range of embedded boards in different form factors. These boards feature 15 years longevity and can be managed by fixed-bone service and the solid product change notification process upon the request. In addition, our proactive global supply chain strategies, safety stock management, worldwide agile production, and the delivery service met the urgent demands and help our partners' business during the ongoing crisis.
Wow, very impressive. Being fast and flexible is not easy. You just mentioned full range of form factors. Could you please be more specific on this one?
Sure. Advantech had over 30 years of experience with over 15 form factors in the embedded market. We continue to develop new technology and join the different associations to create the new standards. The target is to offer the off-the-shelf products with reliable quality and help our partners to speed their time to market.
Wow, so interesting. It seems that Advantech has plenty of options available. But some surgery machine makers and some ultrasound makers, they are asking if we have any computer on module with the desktop solution and the faster I/O. What's your suggestion for this?
HPC can make it. It's the new standard scheduled to be released before the end of 2020. There are 5 types for HPC. Size D and E belong to HPC server category, mainly for server applications with loud audio and display output. Size A, B, and C is included in HPC client, with display interface for medical and some client applications.
So what's the benefit do size ABC bring to the medical applications?
Take Type C as example. It can support desktop Core i processor, up to 8 cores. The scalability with great CPU and graphic performance is a perfect fit for high-end medical equipment, like premium ultrasound. Moreover, with size A, B, and C, we can expect double I/O expansion and 4 times faster I/O transmission, like PCIe Gen 5 and USB 4 Thunderbolt.
Well, it's so powerful. However, since this standard will be published in the end of 2020, that means we might need to wait for the solutions until the end of 2021. So are there any current product ready to use designed for the mainstream medical equipment?
Yes. For systems with limited space or heat concern, you can consider AMB233 and SOM6882. They are integrated with Intel Whiskey Lake U with up to 4-core CPU. This processor achieves 70% better performance than the last generation, while the CPU thermal design power remains at 50 watts only. And for high-end medical equipment, AMB276 and SOM5899 with Intel Coffee Lake Refresh can support 8-core desktop CPU and 6-core mobile CPU, respectively. This results in 47% better CPU performance than the previous generation. Our offerings are not limited to Intel solutions. We also have the AMD Ryzen V1000 solution on AMB228 and SOM5871 to offer the powerful graphic performance. With them, you can save the cost on the graphic card.
But Vicky, many partners they have the headache on the thermal and noise and the PCB bending issue when the system is getting more and more powerful. So do you have any solution for this?
Yes. This year, Advantech released an innovative thermal solution, QFCS. Let's check out the video.
We understand the challenges presented by optimized thermal designs. Quadro Flow Cooling System. The thin and light Quadro Flow cooling system delivers 100% CPU performance. This small form factor design operates silently and is easily assembled to the boards. Using QFCS, CPU temperatures of 58 degrees Celsius are achieved at 45 watts in environmental temperatures of 25 degrees Celsius. It is 38 degrees Celsius lower than temperatures achieved by traditional thermal solutions. When environmental temperature rises to 60 degrees Celsius, QFCS keeps 100% CPU performance. CPUs with traditional thermal solutions endure throttling that yields a significant drop in performance. QFCS is thin and light. Advantech QFCS is only 27 millimeters in height. This means it is 46% thinner than traditional thermal solutions. QFCS is 47% lighter than traditional thermal solutions. QFCS's light design helps to pass 7.7 GRMS vibration tests. QFCS operates silently. QFCS's low noise fan design produces only 45 decibels during operation. This avoids disturbing and annoying users. QFCS is easily assembled to the boards. QFCS is assembled by using 5 spring screws, a tool-free design to simplify the assembly process. Auto-damping adjustment screws can prevent PCB bending. Thermal technology innovation. A. Two-phase change heat pipe. B. Mixed fin structure. C. CPU hard contact. D. Venting holes. Advantech's embedded platforms with QFCS address your thermal challenges.
Awesome! With this innovative weapon, thermal, noise, and PCB bending won't be the issue anymore. Now I realize Advantech is really leading the form factor, technology, and innovation. How about the new platform that Advantech will promote this year?
Well, we will launch desktop motherboard with Intel Common Lake platform. This solution improves CPU performance by 18%. It features up to 10-core Core i9, making it an ideal solution for the high-end medical equipment.
Somebody told me there will be the I/O speed revolution this year. Which platform?
Exactly. Come and 3.5-inch single-board computer with Intel Tech Lake for 15-watt CPU thermal design power, and the 25% better graphics will be equipped with 2 times faster PCIe Gen 4 and USB 4 Thunderbolt. Lots of our customers are waiting for this. They are the excellent choice for portable or slim medical device.
How about, are there any new platforms for the entry Atom or ARM?
Yes, you can try the next generation Atom, Intel Alhambra Lake on Mini ITS and Computer on Module. These solutions come with a more powerful CPU and double graphic performance. The latest star is a new ARM platform from NXP IDA Max 8. The CPU up to 4 cores, thus we can get doubled performance. In addition, it can support USB 3 and PCIe Gen 3. So all these 2 platforms are perfect for the medical device such as IVD, ventilators, portable device that will require for low power and sufficient I/O or performance.
I'm pleased these new powerful platforms are coming soon. To be more successful in the digital era, more and more customers want to focus on their unique know-how on the applications and leave the rest to their partners. So what else can the partners leverage from Advantech?
Besides of a new platform and thermal innovation, Advantech also offers one-stop shop service to support the partners to accelerate their application revolution and time to market. It consists of a series of industrial peripherals, like RAM, wireless module, storage, displays, as well as software service, such as embedded BIOS, software API, White Device On for the remote management, Windows OS, and cloud solution.
Yeah, they told me one partner, they use Advantech's RISC board, RAM, SSD, Wi-Fi module, and the White Device On to build their CPAP and APAP machine. With White Device On, doctor can acquire clinical data from the patient and adjust the setting directly, remotely, to make the telemedicine possible.
Sounds like an interesting case. The good news is White Device On is free for trial now.
Wow, good, free for trial. So after the partner pick the form factor, platform, accessory, and the software to start the system design, they might have some bugs or design issues, which usually take lots of R&D resource to debug. So what can Advantech help to make a reliable medical equipment?
Advantech can do thermal simulation and offer the customized thermal solutions based on customers' designs to resolve the heat and the noise issue. For SI, we can measure, debug, and get the best signal integrity for customers' whole system, even though we sell the boards only.
Sounds like a good VIP service. But for ultrasound, EMI noise is another critical issue which might cause doctors misdiagnosis. They told me Advantech have some experts who know how to prevent or to fix the issue.
Definitely. Advantech has lots of professional experience to resolve the EMI noise issue in a very short time without any need on EMI gasket. And we also offer industrial motherboard with the highest ESD protection, level 4, enabling that kind of healthcare lab testing machine to run smoothly, even in the sensitive environment.
Sounds great. Another topic is remote patient monitoring is getting more and more popular for that kind of patient care systems. How to set up security control to protect personal information?
Well, this could be fulfilled by secure boot, boot guard, or to set up multiple layers of security control during the boot up process by the customized BIOS.
Fantastic! Advantech can help on so many things to reduce partners' workload and risk.
Yes, with the leading technology, innovation, one-stop shop service, and the professional design service, Advantech becomes worldwide #1 embedded board provider and shipped over 750,000 pieces of embedded boards every year.
From all this, I believe Advantech is a trustable and helpful partner.
Yes, our mission is to help our partner to succeed.
Let's win-win together to help more people in the digital AIoT era.
Thank you for your time.
In the next section, Rita and Roger will introduce how we assist in developing next generation medical applications and to leverage AI integrated into your medical equipment.
Hello everyone, I'm Rita and this is Roger. We are product manager on Advantech Medical Equipment DMS team. Today, we will be discussing the customized embedded design service offered for next generation medical equipment.
Before we dive into this topic, let us give you a brief idea of what Advantech Medical DMS service can be used for. Advantech's Medical Equipment DMS service offers the latest innovation technology with a dedicated design team to provide global service to our medical customers. Next, we will have Rita to tell you more about our service.
Our team, Medical Equipment DMS, is looking forward to the next generation of medical applications. Advances in medical science demonstrate that general-purpose medical diagnosis and treatment are gradually evolving toward precision medicine and personalized medical service. By incorporating the latest AI and image technology, Advantech Medical Equipment DMS team is not only the component vendor, but also a total solution provider with mass customization capabilities. No matter whether it is for traditional X-ray, ultrasound machine, specialty application in dentistry or ophthalmology, the medical equipment DMS team can offer the solution for diverse medical devices, from computing PC systems to panel PC and tablet, as well as software integration and deployment. We also offer a dedicated longevity for our products with reliable customer service. In this presentation, we will introduce how we can assist in developing next-generation medical application by considering the direction medical equipment development is heading. From here, you can see that we are aimed at 4 applications to meet emerging trends in next-generation medical equipment. First is precision medicine, which uses genetic analysis and molecular diagnostic technology to improve treatment efficacy. The design requirement for IVDS and DNA analysis equipment will advance in coming years to meet changing diagnostic and treatment demands. Second is robotic surgery. These are becoming increasingly significant in overcoming the limitation of pre-existing minimally invasive surgical procedures. Surgical robots enhance the capabilities of doctors performing major operations. Additionally, robotic and 3D navigation systems can be used with a CT to assist surgeons in their procedures. Third is specialist diagnosis. This is different from general medical diagnosis or traditional radiological diagnosis like CTs or X-ray. The increasing development of specialized medical equipment will provide doctors with accurate information and improve diagnosis and treatment. Specialist diagnosis solutions, including scanner for dentistry and ocular ultrasound for eye surgery. The last application is telemedicine. Telemedicine refers to the long-distance transmission of high-resolution image for remote diagnosis and monitoring. These 4 trends encapsulate the direction of further development in medical equipment. We consolidate the demand for next-generation medical equipment based on we mentioned previous medical field aims. First are super high-performance systems. These refer to server-grade systems with multi-platform integration for accelerate multi-display functionality in DNA analysis and 3D navigation surgery systems applications. Using a heterogeneous architecture, this system will deliver diversification and multitasking integration, improve systems computer and parallel computing performance, and reduce system load. Second, specialty medicine application require PC box and all-in-one PC in order to suitable for outpatient and clinic use. This computing needs to be slimmer and quieter. For example, 3D model scanner equipment in dentistry computing and automatic surgical controller platform require efficient, minimalized, and low-noise medical equipment for accurate diagnostic. Third, along with upcoming 5G application, telemedicine will become more common as remote diagnosis and monitoring capabilities improve. Real-time interaction and adequate data transmission bandwidth for high-resolution video will prove to be key point of interest. Finally, successful medical products require long product life support for over 50 years. Let's review how Advantech Medical DMS team support customers in these 4 application focuses. First is precision medicine applications, such as IVDS for DNA sequencing or molecular diagnostics, require superior performance computing systems to hasten testing results. With decades of design and integration experience in multi-platform integration, our team offers ARM and x86 computing solution. This solution can be integrated with Xilinx, Intel Array FPGAs, or NVIDIA Jetson to accelerate image rendering and video broadcasting. Our LAN, USB, and COM port isolation design and medical regulation compliant components and value by providing a one-stop shopping for next-generation medical equipment. Consider the following example. We do more than simple provide computing platform for ultrasound application. We also leverage multi-platform design for front-end image fusion, image processing, and back-end video integration and broadcasting. We deliver multi-use device in one system for next-generation medical applications. We all know that AI, in addition to multitask and accelerate computing, will play an important role in the next generation of medical applications. AI will be particularly important in medical image diagnostics, genetic sequencing, and specialty applications. The introduction of AI will help take smart medicine to the next level. Advantech DMS team provides a comprehensive AI solution, including Xilinx, NVIDIA Jetson, and the Quadro solution, aimed at helping customers deploy and integrate application devices. Presently, an increased number of specialty diagnostics is used in clinic and outpatient, necessitating a stylish and powerful computing system. In order to meet this demand, Advantech Medical Equipment DMS team, we have developed two evaluation kits, MEB-C100 and the upcoming MEB-P200. This ready-for-market solution can help customers quickly adapt to change in market demand and technology. The MEB-C100 is a slim, silent, and expandable server-grade medical PC equipped with an MXM GPU for image analysis application. The MEB-C100 delivers high-performance computing and data processing with minimal noise. This eliminates potential distraction while also ensures easy deployment in a range of environments. The suitability and the benefit of the MEB-C100 for certain applications are clear. In ophthalmology, doctors need to concentrate without being disturbed during surgery. In dentistry, consultation requires a quiet environment for dentists to be able to discuss treatment with their patients. In CT MRI control room, image analysis workspace need to be highly organized and clear of clutter. The MEB-C100 is an ultra-quiet, high-performance system that could suitable for diversified the clinic medical applications. These are Advantech evaluation kit, MEB-C100 and MEB-P200. They feature the low-profile mainboard design and the optimized thermal solution. Customer can select best suitable CPU and GPU card for their PC box or all-in-one PC based on their medical application. The ready-for-market solution can easily implement into different applications and reduce customer evaluation time. In addition, when it comes to the next generation of medical equipment, robotic surgery plays a very important role as well. Over the next few slides, Roger will detail how Advantech Medical Equipment DMS team supports surgical customers with their application needs.
Thank you, Rita. Robotic-assisted surgery is one of the newest innovations in minimally invasive surgery. Using robots for surgery is a safer and easily repeatable procedure, minimizing the risk to patients. In surgical robots, the system consists of three major components: a surgeon console, where the surgeon sits while operating, a patient-side car where the patient is positioned during surgery, and interactive robot arms. Surgical robots are complex systems that require high-level integration. These systems comprise three major categories: a computing unit, an image processing unit, and a robot control unit. The computing unit handles the data, signal, and haptic feedback from different sources. The image processing unit handles the video, image transferring from CPU and does some color calibration, input image transformation, and a signal output for display. The third component is the robot control unit, which contains axis motor controller and the built-in safety mechanism inside its algorithm to avoid failure during surgery. Let's move on and talk about the computing unit. The computer needs to handle data from different sources. These sources include endoscopy video stream and pre-operating image from the medical servers. A video stream will go through the system memory. It will then copy and write to the GPU for color correction, age enhancement, debugger, and resizing. After the image finishes, it will transfer the data back to CPU and then display it. The computing unit needs to process high-resolution image and process patient data efficiently. Image processing algorithms require a lot of processing power. The heavy loading caused by processing image can yield increased latency. This latency can adversely affect surgical robot accuracy. Because a GPU outperforms in image acceleration method, an increased amount of design adapt GPU to handle image processing. This frees the CPU to be used for other tasks. So, how to select the one among the many options available to you? We bring you NVIDIA Jetson family solution. The most advanced NVIDIA Jetson family technology has integrated architecture in Jetson hardware. The CPU and GPU are placed on single die and share the same system memory. Such architecture offers new opportunity for CPU-GPU communications, which are absent in decreased GPUs. This measure will reduce one-time data copy and write from CPU memory to GPU memory to lower system latency. Moreover, the Jetson supports a 384-core GPU. Each GPU works independently on a large set of data. When combined with other optimization within the processor, Jetson can process trillions of numbers of every second. This tremendously lowers the latency of a surgical robot system. Meanwhile, NVIDIA Jetson access to diverse partners who provide software and can reduce development time is another advantage. Last but not the least, product lifecycle support is also an important consideration in medical device design. Advantech's medical equipment team has a smart lifecycle management process called Smart LCM control flow. This process comprises the product design to end of product line. To maintain transparency, we provide material screening in the design phase and ensure bone health. We also perform regular material review and EOL or PCN scanning to share the first-hand material information with our customers. We consider customer rolling forecast planning and order fulfillment to set a milestone for stage change with EOL components. Additionally, we continue tracking and reviewing ways to extend the product life cycle in a manner that reduces recertification costs. Because of this management process, we can guarantee a 15 years product life cycle. This ensures material availability and reduce recertification frequency, and thus reduce total cost of ownership. Let's have a quick recap of today's section. Advantech Medical Equipment DMS team is always looking for upcoming trends in next-generation medical equipment, precision medicine, and clinical, dental, and surgical robots. Our team had extensive experience in joint design with Tier 1 customers. Through these collaborations, we established competency in upcoming applications.
The medical equipment DMS team offer various integration platform service and ready for market product solution with a one-stop shopping service. We can help you choosing the ideal product to meet your medical equipment needs for the next generation.
Thank you for taking your time to join the online event with us, and we hope you will let us serve you for many years to come.